What if the difference between struggling with money for the rest of your life and becoming financially free isn't how much you earn, but the habits you practice every day? Millions of people work hard, yet they still find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses appear, and saving money always feels like something they'll do someday. But here's the truth. Financial freedom doesn't begin when you become rich. It begins the moment you start making smarter decisions with the money you already have. The world's most financially successful people aren't necessarily the highest earners. They simply follow a few timeless money rules that allow their wealth to grow year after year. In today's video, we're sharing 5 powerful money rules that can completely transform the way you think about earning, saving, investing, and building wealth. These lessons are simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough to change your financial future forever. Whether you're struggling with debt, trying to save your first $1,000, or dreaming of retiring comfortably, these principles can help you take control of your financial destiny. Stay with us until the very end because the final lesson ties everything together and could become the foundation for a lifetime of financial freedom. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. The first money rule is to stop accepting living paycheck to paycheck as your normal way of life. Many people believe they are struggling because they don't earn enough money, but the truth is that financial stress often comes from not having a clear system for managing income. Living paycheck to paycheck means that almost every dollar you earn is already spoken for before it even reaches your bank account. One unexpected expense, a car repair, medical bill, or home emergency, can throw your entire financial life into chaos. The good news is that you are not alone, and you are not stuck. The first step toward financial freedom is becoming completely honest about your current financial situation. Take time to list every source of income, every monthly bill, every debt, and every expense. Don't guess. Look at your bank statements and write everything down. Awareness creates control. Once you know exactly where your money is going, you can begin making intentional decisions instead of reacting to financial problems. Even small changes like reducing unnecessary spending or increasing your savings by a few dollars each week can make a big difference over time. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It begins with one decision, deciding that from today forward, you will take control of your money instead of allowing your money to control your life. That single decision can become the turning point that changes your financial future forever. Lesson 2, create a financial plan. The second money rule is simple but incredibly powerful. Create a financial plan. Imagine taking a long road trip without a map or GPS. You would probably get lost, waste time, and spend more money than necessary. The same thing happens when people live without a financial plan. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose before you spend it. Start by identifying your monthly income and dividing it into categories such as housing, food, transportation, savings, investments, emergency funds, and personal spending. A budget isn't designed to restrict your life. It gives you permission to spend confidently because you know your important priorities are already covered. Without a plan, it's easy to lose money on impulse purchases, forgotten subscriptions, or emotional spending. These small expenses may seem harmless, but together they can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Review your financial plan at the beginning of each month and adjust it whenever your income or expenses change. Set both short-term goals like paying off a credit card and long-term goals like buying a home or retiring comfortably. When your financial decisions align with your goals, saving money becomes much easier because every dollar has a clear mission. A good financial plan transforms money from a source of stress into a tool that helps you build the future you truly want. Lesson 3, pay yourself first. The third money rule is one of the most effective wealth-building habits ever created. Pay yourself first. Most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever money is left over. Unfortunately, there is usually very little left because everyday expenses continue to grow. Instead, reverse the process. As soon as you receive your paycheck, immediately move a portion of it into savings or investments before paying other bills or spending on entertainment. Think of saving as paying the most important person in your financial life, you. Even if you begin with only 5 or 10% of your income, consistency is far more important than the amount. Over time, you can gradually increase your savings rate as your income grows. This strategy also helps you build an emergency fund, reducing stress when unexpected expenses arise. Beyond saving, investing your money allows it to grow through the power of compound interest, where your earnings begin generating even more earnings over time. The earlier you start, the greater the results can be because time becomes your greatest financial advantage. Remember that building wealth isn't about making one huge investment. It's about making small, disciplined investments again and again. Paying yourself first sends a powerful message that your future matters. Every dollar you save today is working to create greater financial security, more opportunities, and more freedom tomorrow. Lesson 4: automate your investments. The fourth money rule is to automate your investments. One of the biggest reasons people fail to invest consistently is because they rely on motivation and willpower. Some months they invest, while other months they forget or decide to spend the money elsewhere. Automation removes that problem completely. By setting up automatic transfers from your bank account into retirement accounts, mutual funds, or diversified investment portfolios, you ensure that investing happens without requiring a monthly decision. This simple habit turns investing into a routine rather than a challenge. It also removes emotional decision-making. Many people become afraid when the stock market falls and stop investing, while others try to predict the perfect moment to invest. In reality, consistently investing over many years often produces better results than trying to guess market movements. Automation also encourages discipline because your investments continue growing regardless of temporary market fluctuations. Thanks to modern financial technology, almost anyone can begin investing with small amounts of money. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. What matters most is consistency and patience. Every automatic contribution is another step toward financial independence. Instead of worrying about timing the market, focus on spending time in the market. Allow your investments to grow steadily year after year, and let compound growth become one of your greatest financial allies. The habit you automate today could become the wealth that supports your future. Lesson 5: track every dollar and prepare for the future. The fifth and final money rule is to track every dollar you spend while preparing for life's unexpected events. Many people underestimate how much money quietly disappears through small daily purchases, unused subscriptions, service fees, and impulse buying. Individually, these expenses seem insignificant, but together they can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Spend time reviewing your bank statements and credit card transactions every month. Ask yourself whether each expense truly adds value to your life. Cancel subscriptions you no longer use, reduce unnecessary spending, and redirect those savings toward your emergency fund or investments. At the same time, prepare for events that nobody expects but everyone may eventually face. Job loss, illness, accidents, family emergencies, or economic downturns can create financial pressure with little warning. Building an emergency fund that covers several months of living expenses provides peace of mind and prevents small problems from becoming financial disasters. As your finances improve, think beyond simply saving money. Set long-term goals such as purchasing your first home, investing for retirement, or creating additional income streams. Financial security isn't built by reacting to emergencies. It is built by preparing for them before they happen. Every dollar you intentionally manage today strengthens your future. When you combine careful spending, smart saving, consistent investing, and thoughtful planning, you create a financial foundation that can support you and your family for many years to come. Financial freedom isn't about luck, winning the lottery, or earning a massive salary. It's about making consistent decisions that move you closer to your goals every single day. Start by understanding your financial situation. Create a clear plan, pay yourself first, automate your investments, and track your spending carefully. These 5 simple rules have helped millions of people build wealth one step at a time, and they can work for you too. Remember, your financial future is shaped by the habits you build today, not by the mistakes you made yesterday. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future. Subscribe for more practical lessons on money, success, and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.